Well, unfortunately, this was one of those worst case scenario. Even with that low tack tape, the original finish just peeled off in hunks. So Darcy basically razor bladed all the loose flaky stuff off and blew 11 coats of nitrocellulose right over the whole fingerboard, right over the frets. So the next step, of course, was to isolate each fret, steel wool and polish all the way along. Once that was done, then I very lightly steel wooled the lacquer to get rid of any orange peeling. And then when that was done, I used this ivory 3M final finish. You just pick that up at a local body shop supply. And then that was rubbed out, and that gave us the sort of hand-rubbed lacquer look. I'm up to the 11th fret. I thought I would show you, this is kind of the final finish, what we've got here. I'm very happy with it, but I wanted to show you from the 12th fret up so that you could see what I started with. There you can see the 11th fret, and at the 12th fret, this has not been touched yet, but you can see naturally a little bit of bounce back on that lacquer gives you a too shiny, orange peelish kind of look. And that's what we're getting rid of with the steel wool and then hand rubbing and then finally using that 3M final finish to get that final look we're after. So that once again, we're covering our tracks. When this job is done, at a glance, no one would ever know that any of this work was done. So those frets have 11 coats of lacquer on them. Well, I've got some serious elbow grease here in the next few hours to kind of rub that out and end up with that beautiful patina that we have now from the 1st fret to the 11th. Just wanted to bring you into the loop on that so you know what I went through to get to this stage. So there were a bunch of corrections I made on this bridge. The strings were not really lining up properly with the pickup. So these two little blocks of brass, I just put a little spot of super glue on the edge wall of the bridge. And that is now holding these perfectly aligned, as you can see with the pickups. The other thing was, these height adjustment screws for the saddles were literally sticking up over 1/4 of an inch past the saddle all the way across, all 12. They were cut down and buffed and then reinstalled, and now for the first time the radius of these saddles is a perfect match to the fingerboard radius. This is our compensated nut, and of course this is the fingerboard we were looking at earlier. 11 coats of lacquer. Mind you, I did steel wool it and buff it, so I probably took a couple of coats off, but very happy with the way that came out. And of course the pickups were adjusted as well, just for the proper height with the new action. So let's have a listen to this thing.